Whoa, yeah. Right, jump.
Can we go over there?
Oh, that hurt.
Oh.
Oh.
Should I get the drone out?
You got it? Yeah. Beautiful. Wow. This falls. Oh, that's so slippy.
It's full of. It's torn off.
Be careful when you jump out. Oh. Shit! Oh, oh it's lovely! Oh. Oh.
I'm alright now.
Oh! Yes! We're gonna roll in.
Today, you almost caused Jack Sparrow.
He's gone. See ya. Right, you ready, Kemba?
Let's go. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my.
Wow.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. I'm bleeding. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, look. Damn. Hello. I know, it's bleeding. Hello there.
Hello there.
Outdoor boys, eat your heart out. I'm gonna rip me trunks. George just crashed his GoPro. Where did it go? Oh! Where did it crash? It was here, wasn't it?
I think it's around this bit, yeah. Did it not fall down there?
I reckon it's in a tree.
Can you look into your camera? I can't see it, but it's back. Oh, it's smashed? It's flat. Oh.
It must be on the floor then.
It's not.
What tree did it go in?
I don't know, let's see. 400 quid you paid for that, guys? Really?
Yeah, I see it.
Good.
Good eyes. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! It looks alright.
I never showing the base camera just showing it down there.
Yay!
Hey,
Hey boys! Come on boys! Zoo! That's gonna hurt my head if I get under that, isn't it? Oh, people are going for it. People are going swimming.
Don't become the next victim, everyone.
Oh look, they're going swimming. Doggies! Hello doggies.
Oh, that actually is quite deep as well, there.
I want to go under it.
Drowning.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, that's the one I'm going to go under. That's alright. Oh, it's bloody loud. I ain't getting changed here. My stuff's going to get wet.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Can we leave our stuff somewhere?
Yeah, back there.
Yeah, go on.
Oh yeah. Right boys, let's go. Woo! Oh! Oh! So cold! Oh, fuck me. Is it nice in there?
Yeah, it's lovely. Coming off! Who's going over there?
Oh yeah! Oh, I can't see the floor, I hate that. Yes! Oh. Ow! Yeah. Oh, it's freezing! Whoa! Come on! It's the hands on the water, I can't do it. My feet! Yeah! Oh, God! Come on! What? Fuck, I've got to get out. Boys, it's freezing! It's too warm! It's gone inside! It's all inside your mind! Ow, sharp!
My balls are gone. I went to put it underwater. That was gone.
Well done, boys! George! Wait, this is nuts! This is November! Gone! Oh! That is lovely. I didn't want to I was going to stand under that. How are we doing this in November? It's so fun. Unreal. Unreal. Core memory with the boys. Look at this. Bearing in mind this is the 6th or the 5th of November and we're doing this. So it's not exactly warm. Beautiful. Unreal. Unreal. Oh yeah.
Oh dear.
No, I'm scared. Don't. Oh fuck. Well, this is our current situation.
Okay, I've got a bit of morning wood.
Whoa, that's sick, mate. Who's that?
Me.
I'm erect.
Foggy. Started the walk, boys.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. We're waking on the chic pup because it is 5:30 in the morning. Got 2 hours till sunrise. Can't see shit.
Pumpkin.
Oh, it's already fucked up. Abandoned building. Oh yeah. Boys. Alright, we're getting somewhere, boys. Connor, how many metres up are we? 203 metres up. Starting to get a bit of light come through. Probably won't see on the GoPro. With our eyes, we can see some stuff, but we've got a lot of elevation to go. Oh, we can see. Oh, it's hot. Done 5 kilometers. How you feeling, Kimber? Sunrise, we're going to see so much sun, it's going to be great. Because it's definitely not misty or anything. It's fine. Gutting. Oh, we're blowing, boys.
Fucking hell.
It's going to be do a GoPro thing and not show the steepness, but it's fucking take our breaths for the steepness factor. Gutter.
Shit.
Hold on, bit of boost. Sorry boys, that stinks real bad.
I think it's gonna be right.
Are you sure?
It will be.
Yeah.
Well, it's 10 to 7. Got half an hour till sunrise.
Yeah, let it cook.
Let him cook. Oh, you can kind of see the elevation here. Huh?
283.
That's lying, we ain't done 20
Stop
meters.
reading that.
Right, so we've just come off the path.
There's nothing there.
Holy fuck, don't get. Jeez.
I'm gonna collapse.
How's it going, Kemba?
Right, fuck it.
Woo! Come on, that's a good motivator.
That's not.
We can jump straight off that and die.
Oh, fuck.
Look at him go. Race cars don't need headlights. The track is always lit. Oh.
Connor will make us at the top.
Yeah, he'll just take a photo for us.
Cool, go and FaceTime us at the top.
Yeah, there's great signal here for some reason. Because I'm on top of the world, hey?
Come on, mate, boy.
Come on! Right, boys, we've just heard some sort of drone or something with propellers. That's all I got. You can definitely see the elevation now. This is what we're walking at. That's 45 degrees, isn't it? Yeah. That's 45 degrees steepness. Let's keep going. It's getting treacherous.
Do not make unnecessary journeys.
Oh, 6 kilometers. Oh. Come on, it's got to be it.
I travelled the ends of the earth.
Come on, last push. Yeah. I can't even, I just hear voices of them.
Oh,
Oh my god. Is it it? It's it. We've done it. We've done it. Yes. Oh my god. Come on.
Sam!
Come on.
Sam, my boy!
Woo! There it is.
Someone's coming!
Yeah, that's a 10. Where's this?
Yes, boys!
Come on. Where is it? It's beautiful. Where? Who's just broken that poor fella up?
Oh, I get my hands to go.
Oh, beautiful. Where's the plaque? I think it's that way. Oh, blue sky. Oh, look, we actually see colour. Oh my god.
Up there, boys.
There it is, people.
Let's go little hike there. Oh shit, yeah.
Look, we're so high up, there's actual sunrise coming. Oh, we've done it. First people we've seen. Oh, wow. Wow. Insert, we're on top of the world. Oh my god, look at the drop.
You ready for the boys?
Yeah. Well done, boys.
Yes! Oh look, okay, Gary Wines.
Look at the mist blowing over the map.
Many were called, few were chosen. We've got a camera set up now. Or was it a golf bag?
Got a special rock.
Come on top. Oh, that's it.
Jealous. Oh, look at that.
Hey, oh, look at this view, boys.
Wow. Alright, boys. Put them together. Right. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, this is sick.
Oh, Connor, you look like a fucking superhero, mate. Oh, the sunrise is spot on. Oh, 4 AM start. They made it. What time did you call this? The sun's coming up, boys. Cheers. Willy willy.
Quite light though. I'm back, so sweaty.
And a drone fight.
Yes! This is what we came for.
This was so worth it.
We need to get a photo, really. One of the sun's
Caught on film.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you film that?
It's going back down. Oh, it's gone.
Oh,
Oh, the sun's set already.
oh, that's quick.
How about a nap?
On that note, it's time to go for a nap. Chippies, chicken burger. Right, let's go and get broken knees down the hill. There we go, that's better. Right, this is our first decent checkpoint. Hey. Hey. Chicken burger. Coke. Coke. Whoa.
I think we went left, guys.
Go left, you die.
Cole Palmer, innit?
Oh, I can do that.
It's the only view we've really got today.
Nice.
It gets better down there as well. Fire break.
Fire break.
It feels like the trees
Civilization! Hey! Oh, collateral. Oh, he's there, I can't bother. Fuck him. Is the Donny there?
Donny?
Yeah, at the house. Baldy over there. What's it like to have no hair? I don't know, because I'm not bald.
That's the reservoir bit. That's the abandoned one.
Yeah, but there's a Donny at the end of it.
That bit looks a bit abandoned, that's it, isn't it?
You know, it's the man.
That's pretty lovely.
Oh, look, that's abandoned there. Look.
Oh, you're joking?
You're joking.
So wet.
Do it.
Ah!
Hello, doggy.
Hello, doggy.
They're quite fit.
They got brown.
This one, me and this one.
Ah! No.
I can't.
I don't think you're speaking the right language.
Yeah.
Boo!
I think it's a pig.
They're not bad looking. Would you? They're better than our ones. How many pints?
One. We had a.
For this?
Now.
Sip of water.
Well, this is the one we couldn't see this morning.
Making it hard to get in there.
Yo, someone's been throwing that window off.
There's still water down.
God, didn't build it very well. It's rotted away, isn't it? Look, I told you there was a guy there.
God.
yeah.
It's a hiker. It's fine.
He's upset about the bald comment you made.
Baldy over there.
What's it like to have no hair?
Is it hot or is it cold?
I don't know, because I'm not bald.
Yeah.
Oh, civilization is people. Nah, don't count, mate.
Danger of drowning. Oh.
This is where we were going to go in.
Oh, he's getting in it.
It's got to be done.
God, Ken, what you should do, whilst you take a photo, is just have a shit off the end.
Whoa, hey. Oh, it looks like it might fall down on me. Yeah, that's going to fall down. I am.
Guys, now we take photos of you guys.
Cameron needs a shit.
Cameron's going for a shit now.
Oh, sorry.
Wish I could zoom on this.
Oh, what a shame.
Oh, look, they just saw that.
They think it's wealthy.
They got that for free, lucky bastards. Anyway, we're done. 12k of walking. They didn't stop theirs, so it was like 13 and bits. We're nearly at the car. Yeah, Cameron did loads of extra
I
walking.
jogged up and down it.
Yeah.
Back to civilization.
Oh yeah. Get up.
They're pooing when us come. Right, I got a bag in the back. I just doing that.
Just pop a squat, mate.
And then when he drives, throw it out his window. Child or
Like sex education.
That's going in. Can confirm, Connor Evans said that. No bed.
Yeah, what's it like?
There it is!
Hey now, hey now. Wait, oh, we're the one. I was looking at that. For fuck's sake!
No, it's that one there.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it
it's
is.
the one down there.
No, because we had to walk to that sign, didn't we?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know anymore. We did it. Hey. 12.4k.
Not bad by 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 past 9 it is.
Boom. Well done, lads.
Oh.
Oh shit. Push it
So.
in. Come on, George. Stop taking the piss here.
George fucking sorts his out, mate.
Time to get those Crocs on.
Loader.
glitch in Matrix. Why is that floating? Go to that. Come on.
Is it going?
Cause I'm missing you. And I
Drive.
Go!
even when I dream
Water. Water. Bridge.
These are tighties.
On another one. Oh, lovely stuff. Nice. Okay, we went the wrong way.
Oh, we've got down there, man.
Nice.
That is.
There's a seat. There's a nice little seat over there.
Fucking hell, someone just throwing so much rubbish. The tyre down there.
Oh, for fuck.
And a coat.
How to ruin the world.
Someone's had a really good time and then that. Yeah. Sorry, that's been yo. One of these connecting block match.
Let's go down here. Look what we found. Connor, you look like a superhero.
You can like a Superman dive off of there, son.
Oh, it's great what it's done. Oh, there's a hot tub down there as well.
Oh mate, this would be the best piss off the end of that, wouldn't it?
Oh, look, there's more than match down there now.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Let's go down there.
There's actually like a little crevice in the water.
Yeah, we can get down there. Look at that. No, wankers, wankers.
Yeah, they can come up that way, look. They're probably ways
Oh,
that
that's probably easier. Fuck's sake! Doing parkour. Right, this is base camp. We're going in. Come on, lads. It's gonna be cold again.
In for one and one for all. I need a piss.
We all need a piss, and we all don't have shoes for water shoes.
That's a thing.
Yeah, but we can't. It's so slippy. Slippy. It's not even that cold. Land ahoy! Pebbles! It's not that cold.
I'm joking.
I'll put your foot straight out now.
Out now. My feet. What was that one?
Yeah, so no, in that deep bit in front of your left foot now.
Down there.
Yeah. That's it. And then step out.
Slippy.
Feet cold, feet cold. They're not that cold, right?
No, they're fucking freezing.
Yeah. All I'm saying is I went first last time.
I went first the first time.
Oh, Kemba. He's going to drown, that's fine.
Oh, slippy.
He's going for it. I've got back. Oh, Domino's dip. Nice.
Where are we looking? No, my feet are frozen. We needed to know.
Nice.
It's not fully underwater.
I'm just getting stuck.
Yeah, he's going for a piss.
Getting my willy in.
I like your style. I like your class.
Most of all,
I like your class.
it's not coming out yet.
Ow! Begging you.
Put your loving hand down, baby.
Go on, give us right in. No thanks. Oh, my feet need to warm up. Hey, he's done it!
Head under! Head under! Head under!
Head on now.
Head under!
Yeah!
Keep going! Get on! That smells like ass. Feet! 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 Oh my giddy gosh. And again.
Go on!
I'm getting more and more used to it every time. I think we should do a length. I went to do a waterfall and back. We can't have acted, have we?
No, we don't.
The second time, and guess what? There was a rock behind me.
I tried to save you again, I just fell in. How did they got that?
That's my feet, that's kind of bum, that's kind of safe.
There's a safe there.
There is a safe there. And there is a napier. Hey. Hello. Hello.
Beautiful. Do it. Ow. The current is so strong. Ow! Yes! Yes! Don't do that, Kemba. It's deep. It's deep and it's also the current. That waterfall. Yeah.
Stay calm. Yep. I thought you weren't that bad then. Because I was swimming.
Bucket!
Kick it.
Oh. Oh.
Stick your dick in it and let me provide you
Doing it.
Yeah, George. You're the only one that can fit. Oh my god, there's nothing inside of it.
No way.
George is in there. Go. Get in there, George.
Mushrooms. I say.
Hello there.
Is this the castle?
George, this golf course is unreal, mate.
Is this the castle?
King of the castle.
The castle's up there,
Wow. Nice. Yeah.
Once you take off, go forward for the love of God.
Ready? Yeah. Whoa! I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone.
I'm gone. Who's going?
Oh look. Should have fade. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, it's trying to fly away. Wow, wee.
Woo!
Willy willy.
Okay.
Oh. Welcome to MTV Cribs.
Yeah, exclusive.
Side plus.
There's no lighting, no heating, no food.
Slippy stairs.
Oh, overtake.
But it was free, so
Come on.
Come on, boys.
Come in.
Yeah, I'm gonna go next. Yo.
Come on.
Get up. Oh, the GoPro is going to not see anything.
what do you think of our Chris?
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
Made it ourselves.
No way.
Please take a seat on our sofas.
Oh.
Kind of scatter around everywhere.
Nice.
I'll get the electricity going.
He's turning the power. He's doing a zombie Easter egg, isn't he?
Shag pad. Right, everyone out.
The girls want to see on the house one. Right,
Beautiful.
come on, I'll look up.
Look at that view.
Everyone out, everyone out.
Yeah, don't look us in.
Come on, this is the fastest way to the roof.
Rooftop room.
That's Brecon that we climbed the mountain yesterday. Brecon balls. They've been playing golf that I really like, as a parent. So that's fair enough, there's actually a nice Wales house down there.
Wheels.
I'm looking at you.
Fuck the Brits.
There they are. We've got to tee off. It's raining, I can't get it out.
How's it rain?
Oh, shame. Jump.
Oh yeah, there's a big fuck up.
Oh, it's disappointing. Don't get that on video.
You'll just jump.
Don't
Scare
get
him.
that, don't get that on video.
Oh, that's rubbish.
God, I feel like outdoor boy.
And my inspiration.
Fuck me, I'm never going to have to hold my dinner.
Oh.
Wow. I could have brought ping pong ball, but go.
King of the castle, king of the castle.
Oh, see that no one's playing, so we could watch them play.
Yeah, we could have had great.
Oh, drone's coming.
Hey?
Get further.
Drone. Way out, yeah.
Willies and bum.
Hello, doggy. Hello, doggies.
Oh, is that Boris's dog?
Yeah, Boris. Look how, fucking
Oh,
look how
nice.
loose his bum always.
Yeah, guys.
Nice.
It's got chicken breast and bacon.
Holy one.
Time to go for a hot tub session and a lovely little curry.
Well done.